Beer Mile, the running man's first choice in self-harm activities. Brought to you by Ellen DeGeneres.
Oh, man!
Sadistic? Yes. But it does bring together four of our favorite things. Beers. And in between each of those, a quarter mile. And the final rule?
No regurgitation. So, it's a drinking.
This isn't our first rodeo, or even our 100th. So we thought we could offer some pro tips. Kneel or stand, we don't care. But it is a sporting event, so treat it like one. Another pre-race tip? Get your beers out of the fridge at least an hour before the start time. Cold beers are tough to chug. You don't have to break onto a high school track. Anywhere can host your beer mile. Hell, we ran ours in the creepy alley Batman's parents were shot in.
You've been waiting for this moment your entire life. Really should check, yes.
The first two beers, that's as good as it gets. Take advantage of that.
One more. It's all about endurance.
But those third and fourth beers is what really separates the boys from the men. If you're not careful, you'll find yourself white boy wasted on the sidewalk. Or worse, puking on it. Left with only your poor life choices. And a penalty lap. How you feeling?
I declare vomit.
The best part of a double loop course is that I got to run by Dirty Dan's vomit 8 times.
Most importantly, have fun. It is a drinking game after all. Assemble a crew and have a blast. Side note, it doesn't have to be exclusively generic 26-ish-year-old white guys. That's just what we had to work with.
Watch out everybody, it's a big group of dudes. It's a
And time.
12:30. 12:30? Drop it. Yeah! Go.
You know, few things bring people together like shared trials. I think that's why the running community is so strong at its core.
PR City, boys.
And why I'm so fortunate to have such outstanding friends. The other thing that brings people together is alcohol, so go try a beer mile. It's kind of fun.